Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And today I am going to be talking about humidity. Understanding humidity, why summer feels sticky and winter feels dry. We've all felt it, that heavy sticky air on a hot summer's day, or the dry parched feeling of winter. It's not just the temperature that makes us uncomfortable, there's another invisible player at work. That player is humidity. But what exactly is it, and why does it make us feel so different depending on the season? So, what is humidity? The invisible water. At its core, humidity is simply the amount of water vapor floating around in the air. Water vapor is water in its gas form. It's completely invisible, unlike fog or clouds, which are made up of tiny liquid droplets. Think of the air around you like a sponge. This sponge can soak up a certain amount of water vapor. We measure how full that sponge is using something called relative humidity, expressed as a percentage. Crucially, the temperature of the air makes a big difference. Warmer air can hold significantly more water vapor than colder air. So 50% humidity on a hot day means a lot more actual water in the air than 50% of humidity on a cold day. High humidity, the sticky summer sensation. Now let's talk about high humidity, especially common in summer, when the air is already close to being full of water vapor, say 70% or 90% relative humidity. Our bodies struggle to cool down. Our natural cooling system relies on sweat evaporating from our skin, which takes heat away. But if the air is already saturated, there's nowhere for your sweat to go. It just sits there, making you feel sticky, clammy, and incredibly uncomfortable. Even if the temperature isn't extreme, high humidity also makes it feel muggier, and it contributes to haze and is essential for forming clouds and rain as the air can't hold any more moisture. Now, low humidity, the dry winter feeling. On the flip side, we have low humidity, often experienced in winter or in desert climates. Here, the air is thirsty. It contains very little water vapor and wants to absorb moisture from anywhere it can get. From anywhere it can get. This is why your skin feels dry and itchy, your lips get chapped, and you might notice more static electricity. The dry air is constantly pulling moisture out of your body and everything else in your environment. Beyond personal comfort, very low humidity increases the risk of wildfires as vegetation becomes very dry and flammable. So now, the conclusion. So humidity isn't just a number on the weather app. It's a critical factor that dictates how comfortable we feel in how our environment behaves. Understanding it helps us dress smarter, hydrate better, and appreciate the invisible forces shaping our daily experience. Next time you feel sticky or dry, you'll know exactly why.